Good afternoon, this is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are looking at metals and gold prices starting to find a little bit of a home at 1,300. Yeah, we've been dipping below it. We've been seeing little rallies above it. Certainly we're below that level that we need to kind of shift us back into bull momentum. We need to trade and settle above 1309. We've gotten a trade there once over the last week, but we did not get a settle, and certainly we're not close to it now as we traded below 1,300 ahead of employment. We came back to 1,300. We're kind of building a little bit of a home there on a chart. It looks like it's like the market's waiting for something to happen. Maybe FOMC. Maybe dollar trade. There's a lot of things out there that could push gold around over the coming weeks and months. But right now we're just waiting. It's kind of in that period that you find after an event, but before a next, and you're not sure when it's going to occur. When do you need that defense? Usually when you least expect it. But right now, I think that the gold market, which was very bullish earlier, about a month and a half ago, turned bearish, and now has come back to consolidate at sort of a neutral level right at 1,300. If you look at the dollar, certainly the dollar's played a major hand in what we've seen here over the last several weeks in gold pricing. Dollars continues to remain very well bid, making higher highs week over week, extending those despite the fact that we saw a modest setback this week. It didn't take away from the dollar luster, and certainly didn't help gold prices, albeit with gold consolidating. So right now, strong dollar, mixed reviews on gold. Speculators, where are you? You ran out of the markets pretty quick once we dipped below 1330 and really put the pedal to the metal once we got below 1310. But right now, I think there's that waiting period. What's the next event going to be? Is it going to be a defensive event where you see buyers come back in, or is it going to be an offensive event where you see sellers come in? You see spec sellers. Something we haven't seen in a long time in gold. So right now, we are at the lowest level we've been since last summer as far as speculators go. I think they're waiting for something. They're waiting for an event. Could it be June FOMC? Could it be Italy? Could it be possibly Spain? Could it be Korea, North Korea? We've got a lot of things going on over the next couple of weeks. Next week is not one of those weeks, however. We have some data, but the big key events, June FOMC, summit with North Korea, BOJ meeting, ECB meeting, auctions, all that come the week after. So right now, this next week could be a lull week. It could be a position building week if things are quiet. So I think right now speculators will dictate whether we make the next move higher or lower. Likely is going to be higher because gold is typically bought and held as defense. Rarely do we see speculative sellers net short gold. So right now a gold market in consolidation mode. Dollar is stronger. We have nothing that will really move markets next week, which is usually when you got to watch out. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.